In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Wecasa password. By following these steps, you will be able to regain access to your account quickly and securely. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa login page. This is typically found by searching for Wecasa in your web browser or entering the URL directly. Once you are on the login page, you will see a field for your email address and a button to log in. Next, locate and click on the link that says Forgot Password. This link is usually positioned below the email and password entry fields. After clicking it, you will be directed to a new screen where you can enter your email address associated with your Wecasa account. Once you are on the password recovery screen, enter your email address in the provided field. After entering your email, look for a button labeled Submit or Send and click it. This action will trigger an email to be sent to your inbox with further instructions for resetting your password. After submitting your email, check your inbox for an email from Wecasa. Depending on your email provider and internet speed, this may take a few moments. If you do not see the email shortly, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Open the email from Wecasa and look for a link to reset your password. Clicking this link will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Make sure that your new password meets any specified requirements, such as a minimum length or the inclusion of special characters. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Once you've filled in both fields, look for a button that says Save or Reset Password and click it. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated, allowing you to log in with your new password. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.